is that the top of these 2x3 channel is not welded. All right, so I pulled off all the boards except for two, and that's just to help it once I cut the frame right in here on either side and slide this forward. I'll take out the screw that's right here on both sides, and that'll allow the front to manipulate around and get set in place a little bit better without worrying about it flipping over and stuff. The boards will kind of help it out a little bit, I think. So that is where I'm at so far. You probably saw me with the hammer banging off the screws. Well, a lot of the screws rusted off. There's the whole one there's. So I just took a hammer and smacked on the side of them and broke off the remaining screw. It's not gonna hurt anything. Boards are gonna go back over top of it. I'll re-drill and put new screws in. I'm gonna add some more supports in here. Also, something else I've noticed is this morning when I was kind of leveling up the trailer, putting jack stands under it, putting the level on there, getting it ready, is that the top of these 2x3 channel is not welded. So right here, there's no weld. So apparently they must have built the trailer upside down on a jig and just never flipped it over and welded the top. So I'll probably clean the rust and paint off of there and go ahead and weld the top of those. It won't matter for the boards. I'm going to leave a gap in there anyway for dirt and everything to fall through. So that's what I just did. The next step, I think, is pulling the wiring through, taking off the 7-wire round plug here. I'm just going to take it off, pass the wire through here where it runs along the inside of this channel and pull it back so it's out of the way for cutting and welding everything back on. And then I'll go back through and add on a new pigtail with a new plug on the end. That way I only have one connection for all 7 wires instead of trying to cut it in the middle where I'm cutting the trailer at and cutting the wiring harness here and adding 4 feet in it. I'll just go up there and add that on. So I'll be back in just a second.